Now there are some groups, in them self-help groups. Banks are not present everywhere in rural areas. Getting a loan from bank is difficult. That's why it is difficult to get the loan from the bank. Bank loans require proper document and collateral. Collateral is difficult for the poor people. Do you know collateral? Collateral means in Hindi हैसियत, the certificate of their property. So a poor person have not much quantity of property. That's why he is not able to gain the loan from the bank in a proper amount. People have tried some newer ways of providing loans to the poor. Poor women in rural areas pool their services from HSG. That is known as self-help group. You have already known about this. That is in Hindi known as Swayam Sahayata Samuh, self-help group. A typical SHG has 15 to 20 members, usually belonging to the same village. They meet regularly and save regularly. How does it work? How does the self-help groups are working? Suppose that saving can vary from 25 to 100 or more from members to member. Members can take small loans from the group itself to meet their needs. Group changes interest on these loans, which is less than charged by money lenders. After a year or two, if the group is regular in savings, it becomes eligible for availing loan from the bank. Bank sanctions the loan in the name of the group. Small loans are provided to the members for releasing mortgaged land, for working capital, buying goods, fertilizer, etc. Group is responsible for repayment of loan. Non-payment is followed up seriously. What are the advantages of self-help groups? But beta, you have a particular question that how does it is beneficial to us? So now in Hindi I will tell you that suppose that there are 10 members in a self-help group. 10 सदस्य हैं एक स्वयं सहायता समूह में जो मंथली बेसिस पे 1000 सेविंग करते हैं, तो मंथली टोटल सेविंग 10,000 की होती है। और वो 10,000 की सेविंग वो 10,000 की सेविंग वो 10,000 की सेविंग ईयरली 1,20,000 की होती है। विद इन 3 years that is 3,60,000. So whatever the small loans want by those 10 members, they will get easily from that. Advantages of self-help groups. Self-help groups borrows. The self-help groups help borrowers overcome the problem of lack of collateral. They can get timely loans for a variety of purposes. Self help groups are building blocks of rural poor. They help women to become financially self reliant. Regular meetings help them to discuss social issues like health, nutrition, domestic violence, and etc. Thank you. Your half yearly portion is over, beta. I will send you the NCRT solutions and whatever the other requirements you have. Prepare yourself, complete your copies because within a week you have to submit your copies in school. So you have to complete along with notes also. Thank you.